Have you ever wondered how our world became what it is today? Do you have an interest in uncovering its hidden secrets and exploring the potential for positive change? Join us on our journey as we unlock the mysteries of our planet's transformation and explore ways to create a sustainable and brighter future. Let's break our journey into stages. Stage 1: Industrial Revolution. Our journey started during the Industrial Revolution, a time of unprecedented human progress, although it came at a great cost to the planet. During this time, there was an extraordinary rise in technological advancements. Factories were bustling with activity, steam engines were powering locomotives, and cities were growing with an influx of workers. The combustion of fossil fuels, especially coal, drove the industrial transformation, ushering in a new era of productivity and economic growth. However, smokestacks rising into the sky led to unintended air pollution due to the consumption of fossil fuels. The skies, once clear, turned hazy and polluted. In urban areas, citizens wore masks to protect themselves as health issues increased. Industrialization didn't just impact the air. Waterways were also affected. Factories discharged untreated wastewater into rivers, polluting the once pristine waters. As industrialization grew, demand for resources surged. Deforestation for expanding industries and agriculture threatened forests and nature's lungs. Lush forests transformed into barren landscapes, causing ecosystems to collapse. Our actions' consequences reverberated through nature. Stage 2: Pollution and its consequences. As industries grew, pollutants polluted the once pristine air, turning cities into unhealthy landscapes. Citizens in growing cities struggled with pollution, causing respiratory issues and health problems in communities. Stage 3: Deforestation and habitat destruction. Forests are crucial to the planet as they provide oxygen, support biodiversity, and regulate the climate. As human populations grew, forests faced relentless pressure. Vast areas were cleared for agriculture, logged for timber, and bulldozed for urban expansion. The ecosystems, once teeming with life, have become barren landscapes due to habitat loss, causing many species to become endangered and leading to severe consequences for biodiversity.
If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe and the like button to help this video get as many people as possible.
Stage 4: Climate change. It, caused by greenhouse gas emissions, is a pressing challenge with visible, far-reaching consequences. Climate change intensifies extreme weather events, making hurricanes stronger, droughts longer, and wildfires more destructive. Rising temperatures caused ice caps and glaciers to melt, leading to surging sea levels. Coastal communities face flooding and the loss of homes. Stage 5: Overexploitation of resources. The Earth's resources are being exploited at an alarming rate due to our increasing population and demand for them. Forests are being cleared for agriculture, unsustainable farming practices are depleting the soil, and overfishing is pushing many species to the brink of extinction in our oceans. This exploitation has negative effects on our natural world, including imbalances in ecosystems and the unraveling of the delicate web of life as species disappear and habitats degrade. Stage 6: Plastic pollution. Plastic was once considered revolutionary, but now it's a symbol of environmental damage. Its convenience and versatility have come at a great cost to our planet. The production of plastic has increased dramatically, with millions of tons being made every year. Its widespread use has led to an alarming amount of plastic waste. Unfortunately, much of this waste ends up in our oceans and waterways, harming marine ecosystems and aquatic life. Even the most remote areas of the world, including our food and water, are contaminated by microplastics. However, people are becoming more aware of this crisis and are taking action. There is a growing effort to reduce, reuse, and recycle plastics, with individuals, communities, and businesses leading the way. Stage 7. Loss of biodiversity. Our planet's biodiversity is the result of millions of years of evolution. However, human activities have triggered an unprecedented wave of extinctions. Habitat destruction caused by deforestation, urbanization, and resource exploitation is one of the leading causes of biodiversity loss. As forests are cleared and ecosystems transformed, countless species struggle to survive. Pollution, climate change, and the introduction of invasive species further destabilize ecosystems, disrupting the intricate web of life. Okay, can we make our planet healthier after all these years of pollution? Yes. Throughout our journey, we have faced significant environmental challenges. However, a global awakening has emerged and people are becoming more aware of the need for change. Young activists and passionate individuals are leading the charge, demanding action from governments and industries to prioritize sustainability. The shift towards renewable energy sources, such as wind and solar power, is transforming our energy landscape. Clean technologies are leading us towards a more sustainable energy future. Conservation initiatives and reforestation projects are restoring damaged ecosystems, bringing hope to threatened wildlife, and restoring nature's balance. We must confront the changes caused by human actions and take responsibility to protect our planet. Though pollution, climate change, and resource overuse have had negative effects, we have also seen a surge in environmental awareness and commitment to change. Renewable energy, conservation, and international cooperation offer hope for a more balanced future. We have a responsibility to future generations and the species we share this world with.